ln button right over here on the right. So I'm going to hit ln, and I'm going to type that in just like it looks. 4.38 times e. E is shift ln. I hope you can see it. It's like a really light colored gold. Shift ln, and gives me e to the third. Right arrow, close parentheses, hit equals, and it's going to give me a big decimal, 4.47. That is choice B. I like these calculator keying problems. 2 ways to do it. I can use the solver, and I'm just going to type that in like it looks. 3, x box. Parentheses it has up there, alpha red x, minus 2, close parentheses, right arrow. Don't hit the equal sign. You want to hit the alpha red equals. Alpha red equals, we're typing it in. 19, don't hit the equal sign. You want to solve it. It says solve. Shift, solve. Now I want to guess, oh, they're all difficult. I'm going to guess 3.846. 3.846. Now you hit equals. Now you hit the equal sign. Oh, it's thinking. It's probably not the right guess, but it'll get me close. 4.68. Notice that? It picked the right answer. Pretty amazing. Choice B. Again, I'm going to try to enter this in the calculator just like it looks. I think I'm going to guess with 4. Real quick, I can eliminate choice A because of the negative 4, because I noticed negative 4 minus 2 would give me a negative 6, and you can't take a log of a negative number. So this would give me a negative number as well. So I can't take the log of that negative number. So my guesses are going to be 4 and root 5, and I'm going to guess 4 when I type it in. So I'm going to type it in just like it looks. Log base 4 of alpha red x minus 2, right arrow, plus log base 4, right arrow, alpha red x minus 2, right arrow. Don't hit the equals button, hit alpha red equals. 1. Don't hit the equal sign. You're going to hit the shift solve. And I'm going to solve. I'm going to guess at 4. I hope it's right. If I get some weird decimal, it's probably root 5. Oh, right on 4, right away. So it's going to be 4. It's nice when they give you those guesses. All right, I'm going to type it in just like it looks. It'll give me a really crazy decimal, but I'll see if that decimal matches up with any of these. So let's see here. I'm going to type in just the log now. Log, not log base, log. Alpha red x plus 10. Right arrow, close parentheses. Alpha red equals, recall, don't hit the equal sign, alpha red equals 1 plus log 4 alpha red x minus 3, close parentheses. Don't hit equals, we want to solve, we want to hit shift solve. Now I'm going to guess at 1. I'll try 1. It might be wrong because I guessed the wrong guess. 1.0, 1.02564, 1.026. I'm going to try 13 over 3 to see if that equals that decimal. No. I'm going to try 40 over 39. I'm going to try 40 over 39. 40 divided by 39. See if it equals that decimal. And it does. Look at that. So it's going to be 40 over 39, but no 1, because the 1 didn't work. This is a continuous compounding. This one's a little challenging. How long will it take for that amount of money to grow to that amount of money? So I'm looking for it to equal that amount of money. So that's going to be 26900 equals 5800 times E, because it says continuously. That means E. E to the 0.064. 0.064 times whatever the time is. And now I can work backwards. I'm going to enter this into the calculator, and I'm going to choose one of their items for the time. And if it equals 26900, oh, that's the right answer. So let's see if we can't work this. I'm looking for it to equal 26,900. So 5,800, shift E, or shift LN, and then 0.064 times. I'm not even going to try that many years. I'm going to try choice B, 2.4 years, and hope it equals 26,900. It doesn't. So now I'm going to try 0.94 years. So all I need to do is back arrow and delete that out and type in 0.94 years. Hoping it equals 26,900. It does not. Back arrow. Delete, 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 23.97. And again, I'm hoping it equals 26,900, and it does. It's really close. Really close. So it has to be choice D. (53, 54, and 55), or maybe this is 54 and 55 are switched. To do number 53, we're going to use the solver, mode, equation solver, 5, and then 1. We're just going to type in the array of numbers. We're going to fill in those zeros with those leading coefficients. So it's going to be 8 equals, negative 5 equals, 16 equals, negative 6 equals, negative 2 equals, negative 12 equals. Hit equals. So my x value is 2, my y value is 0. 2, 0 is choice A. I'm going to try 54 again. Mode 5, 1. I'm going to type in the leading coefficients. 6 equals, negative 9 equals, 1 equals, negative 12 equals, 18 equals, 1 equals. No solution. That's nice. I like when it's no solution. That's just going to be this weird symbol. It's basically the empty set. 55 is going to be a little rough probably. So let's type that in, mode 5-1. Mode 5-1, we're going to type it in like it looks. 1 equals -3 equals 9 equals. -3 equals 9 equals -27 equals. I hit equals again. I get infinite solutions. That means they want me to solve it for y. Notice the x value is up front. So there's going to be some x value. And then they want to know what the y value is going to be. So I'm going to come up here and solve this equation for y. So I'm going to add 3y to both sides and subtract 9 from both sides. So that's going to be x minus 9 equals 3y. Then I'm going to divide everything by 3. Divide this by 3, divide 9 by 3, divide x by 3. That's going to give me x over 3 minus 3. Choice A. (56) is a big system. Notice they're trying to trick me here. I don't have y term, so I actually want to move that 3x over to that spot and think of this as a 0y. Think of that as a 0y. This calculator key in is going to be mode 5-2. Mode 5-2. And notice I get this huge array. And we can handle it. We're just going to type in the leading coefficients again. 1x minus 1y plus 3z equals 1. And it moves over. Don't forget I moved that x over. That's going to be a 3x, 0y, 1z equals 2. 1x, 4y, 1z equals 22. X equals 0, y equals 5, z equals 2. 0, 5, 2. It's got to be in the order that they give it to you. 0, 5, 2. I'm asked to graph the system of inequalities. So the first one I have is x minus 2y is less than or equal to 2. I'm going to solve that for y. So here we go. I'm going to subtract x from both sides. That's going to give me negative 2y is less than or equal to negative x plus 2. I'm going to divide everything by negative 2. That's going to give me y. Now, whenever I divide an inequality by a negative, I have to flip the sign. So that's going to be is now greater than or equal to. A negative divided by a negative is positive 1/2 x minus 1. So my first equation is going to be 1/2 x minus 1. So if I were to graph that on x and y axis, it would be 1/2 x minus 1. So I begin at negative 1. And then from there, I'll go up 1. So if it's positive 1/2, I'll go up 1 over 2. Now, it's less than or greater than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. So that's the graph of my first line. It also says it's greater than. So that means I would shade above. But on the computer, we'd wait for that. Let's see if any of those graphs match that. See, that one might match. Oh, no, that one's below. That one's graph below, so it can't be that one. This one doesn't go through negative 1. So it can't be A. It can't be B because it doesn't go through negative 1. This one goes through negative 1, and it's graphed above. This one has 2 negative slopes. I didn't even have to finish the graph. It has to be choice C.